Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Science Fundamental Unit. In this week, we will learn how to install relevant software related to this unit. So before proceeding, I will give you a brief introduction about this unit. The overall aim of Data Science Fundamentals is to give you a solid foundation in contemporary data science best practices using Python. I must ensure that through examples involving real-world data, you will learn introductory programming in Python, such as data cleaning and validation techniques, data transformation procedures, algorithm design, text analytics, and data visualization techniques. So you will become familiar with important Python softwares modules such as Pandas, Matplotlib, and Natural Language Toolkit. So you will need to have software installed and running on your computer before the first session. You will need Python 3 installed on your machine, preferably installed via Anaconda. So in the second session, the PyCharm will be needed as well. So I'll give you a separate link regarding the PyCharm in which a whole procedure will be explained. So see the next few slide page for instructions on how to install this software. And one thing is sure that the download is quite large and installation could take some time. So coming toward the software installation, download the Anaconda installer for Python 3.9 at the provided link. So I have provided this link in the description of this video. You can see in the description as well. And make sure you download the correct installer, and your machine must have 3 GB of disk space to install it successfully. So I'll click the link and we'll install it from the first step. I'll just click the link. You can see a new tab appeared in my browser, and you can see that there are 3 options. And for window, I will click on the 64-bit graphical installer. So after some time, the download is complete of the desired file. So just I'll click here and show in folder. You can see the Anaconda file icon here. I'll just double click on it, and then I'll click on the next. This is the license agreement detail. I agree, and just me. Okay. So if you want to change the destination of your folder, you can just browse and give the location over here. So that's fine for me. The warning related to destination folder contain one space, so I'll say okay. And for the advanced option, you have to uncheck the add Anaconda to my path, and you have to click on the register Anaconda as my default Python 3.9. Then you have to click install. So it will take some time. So the installation is completed. The next step is I'll click next and then again next, and yes, getting started with Anaconda, and I'll just click on the finish. So the Anaconda is successfully installed. So once downloaded, run the installer, and when prompted for advanced installation option, make sure that add Anaconda is unchecked, and we have done with this procedure and we have successfully installed it. We are now going to run the Anaconda prompt. So now we have to type Python and press enter in the Anaconda prompt. I'll quickly read it, then I'll go through this procedure. You need to go into the search bar and then you have to type Anaconda prompt. You have to type Python and then press enter. And after this prompt, you have to type print hello world and press enter. This should output the text hello world to the screen just below the prompt. To exit Python, type the command exit and press enter. So then in the Anaconda prompt window or the terminal, type Jupyter Lab and press enter. So Jupyter Lab would be open in a new tab in your default web browser with the Jupyter Lab environment. Open a new Python 3 notebook and at prompt type print hello world and press Ctrl enter. This should run the code outputting the text hello world to the screen just below the prompt. If all this code run correctly, then your installation was successful. So the next step is we have to go into the search window, type Anaconda prompt. This is the Anaconda prompt. Here we have to type the Python as mentioned in the slides, right? Print hello world, close, and we have to enter it, and you can see that the hello world is printed here. And now we have to type exit. So again you can see that we just came out from this. We can now type here as mentioned in the slide, Jupyter Lab, press enter. Now you can see in the new tab, so as mentioned in the slide, as we type Jupyter Lab and press enter, this should open a new tab in your default web browser with the Jupyter Lab environment, and you can see a new tab appeared here, and Jupyter Lab is open here. So if I just open here and I just click it here, and in the slide I need to check it here as well. Sorry, print. So I have to press Ctrl Enter in this environment, and you can see that hello world is printed over here. So that means your installation is successful, and I hope through this video you will successfully download this Anaconda software in your machine. Thank you so much.